Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be using these two acrylics that I've mixed. This one is a baby blue and then we have baby pink. So I found this really cute picture that I am going to recreate. Okay, so let's get right into it. I've never done a recreation video before, so I thought this would be the opportunity. And to be honest with you guys, I don't know if I've said this a few times, but this is my best set yet. I mean, from application all the way to the nail art, the shaping, the density of the nail, everything is just getting better. I would say though, because I mixed these acrylics myself, they wasn't as thick and as good of a consistency as like professional acrylics and stuff. I did use some cheaper brands along with the chalks, and that does mess up the consistency a bit. So I was trying my best to not have too much liquid on my brush, but somehow it was just still so runny. So I still done my best and worked with what I could, and honestly I'm just so proud of this set. It just came out A1, like seriously A1. So I start off by just doing as good of an application as I possibly could, and this set is going to be like two different colors. I'm doing both hands, so my left hand is pink and my right hand is going to be all blue. I didn't actually leave doing the other hand on video, but you will see it as the video progresses and then right at the end as well, because both hands are exactly the same. It's just that the base color of pink and blue are different. So I move on to the pinky, and honestly at this point I was thinking, okay, I'm starting to get the consistency a bit better. I just had to hold my brush in the acrylic for a bit longer, and I was picking up quite a bit of acrylic, so I honestly was just trying to drain this brush as much as possible. As I was doing this, guys, I did notice that the chalk wasn't completely like filed down in the acrylic pots as much as I wanted them to be. So I started to notice that there was like a deeper pink as I was popping the acrylic down, and there were like tiny grains that I had to kind of mix around on the nail before going ahead with the continuation of the application basically. So when I'm putting down the acrylic and you can see me kind of like mixing it around a little bit, that is why, okay? Because I noticed that as you can see the thumb, there's like a little stain pink right in the middle, and so on the pinky I noticed that I saw it again. So by the time I got to this nail, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to start like wriggling around the acrylic on the nail before continuing with the application, which it was a little bit like frustrating, but it's totally okay. So moving on to the middle two nails, back to the picture for references purposes. References purposes, oh my gosh, okay, for reference purposes, we know what I'm saying. Yes, you can see that there's like a blend of the pink and blue on these two middle nails, and so honestly I did not know how that was done, so I just kind of went for it. I was winging it, honestly guys. And so at this point I was just thinking I'm gonna have to alternate the colors and do it until I have the shape of the nail that I need. I did notice that because I was doing it this way and not the original way of applying acrylic, I was left with some kind of like dips in the nail and stuff, so I had to go back later and fill them in. Okay, so if you do see some nails changing and getting to a better shape, that is why, okay? But these two middle nails was honestly more challenging for me. If anybody knows how this is actually done without just kind of splodging acrylic all over the place, please let me know. Send me the link to a video, I completely don't mind. So when it came to the other nail, I was a little bit more, I think I was better at it at this point. So I just started with like a thin layer of pink, and then I kind of filled in the blue and went back in with the pink until I got there, guys. Honestly, the struggle of the second hand, let's not talk about it. Okay, let's not talk about it. I think this set took me 4 hours to do from start to finish. My mum was here and she was watching the kids. Bless her, honestly, because I didn't think this set was going to take too long. Usually I do my videos while the kids are having a nap. You know, them 2 hours is everything for me at this point. But yeah, no, because it took extra time. Thank God she was here, honestly. But they did keep running in and out. You know, they're forever trying to check up on what I'm doing if they know I'm in the house, especially my son. He's over here like, woman, what is this? Okay, you back at it. But yeah, it was better when I got to this nail anyway. And yeah, oh my gosh, guys, I know what you do have to peep though are my cuticles. By the end, oh my gosh, guys, I was loving it. I think I really got the hang of it. Also, when I was doing like my prep for my nails, I did push my cuticles back, you know, the way I should. I don't tend to do it all the time, but after this set, I actually realized how important it is to have really clear cuticles. And I know, guys, for anyone that's new to these videos, you're probably thinking, shouldn't you know this by now? But no, okay, I'm still a beginner nail tech in my eyes. I've only been doing this for a year. I haven't had professional training outside of my brother's girlfriend, which is a nail tech, and you know, she has her family salon and stuff, which gave me so much help when I first started. Okay, but outside of just, you know, a few times with her doing like a nail here and there, not a whole full set, and just working on acrylic application, I haven't had any training. Okay, so you're literally watching me learn this as time goes on. So thank you for that. If this is the first time you're watching, or if you've seen these videos a few times, guys, and you know my voice by now and you still haven't hit subscribe, come on now, you know, your girl got you. Okay, you know, we can be silly together over here. This is a silly zone, but love always. But yeah, no, guys, for real though, hitting that subscribe button is everything to me. I cannot believe I'm somewhat shy of 600 subscribers. That's crazy to me. Like, I'm getting closer to the 1K mark, which will be my next point in doing a giveaway. And I'm really excited for that. I want to have at least 3 winners with like solid prizes. I'm going to start getting the prizes together, because, you know, guys, I'm assuming and I'm hoping that y'all love me enough. You love me enough at this point to hit subscribe, okay? But yes, keep an eye out for when I hit 1K. I will make sure that the thumbnail of the video and the title of the video lets you know that the giveaway is happening, okay? But for now, guys, let's just keep it moving. And yes, another thing I wanted to say is I'm not doing the shaping on camera. Let me know how you guys feel about that, because at this point I don't mind doing my videos like that, but it is because my equipment is not looking too cute right now. Okay, is not looking too cute right now. Acetone, guys, I tried to clean it with acetone. For those that don't know, for those that do, just yeah, sorry. Okay, cool, guys, here we are. Next stage, we have, this is a really simple set. It was really easy to do, no lie. It just took forever because of those 2 nails. Just, I had no clue, so I was just going for it. Okay, but after shaping, I go ahead and do the top coat on all of the nails before doing my nail art. So on the pointer finger, the pinky and the thumb, I use this really cute glitter and top coat mix that I made. That's what's in that little triangle container. And then for the blend of pink and blue, I just go in with regular top coat because I'm going to be drawing those cute little clouds on there. I was so excited. But before getting too excited, ladies, you have got to remember to wipe the sides of your nails before curing, okay? Because once you get to doing the top coat on the last nail, the others have kind of, you know, moved around a little bit and you don't want to lose your shape, okay? That's really important. It does make a difference, okay? Okay, on to the nail art, guys. This part was so much fun for me, mainly because it wasn't as hard as I thought. I'm not sure, but this heart on this finger was just so cute, and it just gave me all the momentum I needed to just, you know, get this set looking as pretty as possible. Yes, that was my daughter's hand up in the left corner. She is the cutest thing, honestly. When she sees me doing my nails and stuff, she just comes and grabs the same brush that I removed like my dust with and stuff, and she just like plays around with it on her hands, and sometimes she grabs some bottles and I'm like, let me just take that back, okay? But no, yes guys, the clouds. This is the first time that I had done some clouds, and again, it was so easy. Like, I grabbed my dotting tool and it just made everything so simple. At first I did try and do it with the liner brush, as it just didn't work, and so I thought might as well just use the dotting tool. So yes, at first I did make the clouds a little small, and then just, you know, taking a step back and looking at it, I thought I should make them a little bit thicker. That's why I'm kind of going over it. But honestly guys, this is the most simple thing in the world. As you can see, I'm literally just like moving the brush around, making sure that the cloud has like a higher peak at the top, and then at the bottom it's just, you know, it doesn't really matter at the bottom, just as long as it's like wide enough to give that, you know, that cloudy effect. After doing the clouds and stuff, just have a look at it, make sure that you're happy with it, because again, none of this is going to be cured until everything is looking good. So I took this opportunity to go ahead and add the 4-point stars. I'm so proud of myself. I just learned that it was called a 4-point star. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I was calling it starry stars, because I just had no clue. But yes, I go ahead and add the 4-point stars, and I don't know if everybody does it this way, but I wasn't trying to do them individually. I just went ahead and dotted all the dots, and then kind of put all the lines as comfortable and as quick as possible, basically, because by this time guys, it was like 4 hours later. I was feeling bad for my mum over there, okay? Even though she's cool, but I was like, man, let me go get these babies. No, actually, I was gonna go out. This was on Boxing Day. Was this Boxing Day? No, it was New Year's Eve. Sorry, I'm tripping. This was New Year's Eve, so I was gonna go out with my girl, which is why my mum was over and stuff. But obviously I'm gonna try and be as helpful as I can while I'm there. So yes, after doing the stars, you want to go ahead and just add your acrylic over the top, dry acrylic. I keep these plastic teaspoons in my drawers, so you can just scoop it and just let the acrylic fall on the nail. Once it's nicely covered and even, you just want to tap the excess off, cure it, and this is my daughter's brush that I was telling you guys about. You just want to dust it. That will be that for those 2 nails. They're fully done. You don't want to do anything else to it. Add no top coat, because then you would ruin that kind of sugary effect. I did top coat that heart nail just so, you know, the gel isn't exposed and catching hairs and all that. Top coat is left, okay, let's not. But yes, moving on guys. Oh my gosh, this is the first time that I'm doing this. I think I've tried it before, but outside of a video. This really cute handy tool that I got on AliExpress for like no money. You just pop it on the nail, move it around until it makes a hole, and then I like to go in with my drill, my really thin drill bit, and just make the hole a little bit bigger, so when you attach, you know, the little link, it has enough space to move around freely. Okay, so once that's done guys, you're good to go. Add some top coat, rub that baby in, and can we not? Can you please peep the game? Okay, the cuticles were looking cute to me as well. It was thin but thick enough, and no, these nails were just everything. See you soon, bye.